What does it take to become a millionaire? Many of us have asked this question at some point in our lives. The truth is, there's no one-size-fits-all answer. But there are common pathways that many millionaires have taken to achieve financial success. In this video, we'll explore 5 of these pathways and discover how you can apply them to your own life. Are you ready to become a millionaire? Let's find out. But first, please take a quick moment to like and subscribe to our channel and let us know how we can help you in your journey to building greater wealth. Our first pathway to becoming a millionaire is entrepreneurship. Many millionaires have started their own businesses and built them from the ground up. They identified a market need and built a successful brand and customer base. Entrepreneurship can be a highly effective pathway to becoming a millionaire, but it's not without its challenges. It often involves taking big risks, overcoming challenges, and building a successful brand and customer base. Consider the examples of Jeff Bezos and Elon Musk. They both started out very simply and ultimately grew their wealth into billions. Entrepreneurship can be a highly effective pathway to becoming a millionaire. Successful entrepreneurs create and scale their own businesses, identify new market opportunities, build strong relationships, and develop their personal brands. However, it requires hard work, dedication, and perseverance. Successful entrepreneurs must have a clear vision and strategy, be adaptable and flexible, and build a strong team. Challenges include uncertainty and risk, the need to pivot and adjust strategies quickly, and attracting and retaining top talent. Overall, entrepreneurship offers individuals an opportunity to achieve financial independence and make a lasting impact in their industries and communities. One of the key benefits of entrepreneurship is the ability to create and scale your own business. When you start your own business, you have the freedom to pursue your passion and create something that is truly your own. As you grow your business and attract more customers, you can generate significant revenue and profits, which can eventually lead to substantial wealth. In addition, entrepreneurship provides an opportunity to build valuable networks and relationships. By developing strong relationships with suppliers, customers, and other stakeholders, entrepreneurs can access resources and opportunities that might not be available otherwise. This can include access to financing, partnerships with other businesses, and valuable insights into industry trends and best practices. Despite the many benefits of entrepreneurship, there are also significant challenges. One of the biggest challenges is uncertainty and risk. When starting a new business, there are many unknowns, and success is never guaranteed. Entrepreneurs must be willing to take personal and financial risks and be prepared to face failure and setbacks along the way. Entrepreneurship can be a highly effective pathway to becoming a millionaire, but it is not without its challenges. In today's world, entrepreneurship takes many forms, from traditional businesses to online powerhouses. Our second pathway to becoming a millionaire is through investing. Millionaires often invest their own money in various assets, such as stocks, real estate, and private equity. They may also have a diversified portfolio that includes both conservative and high-risk investments. Investing can be a powerful tool for building wealth over time and contributing to many people becoming millionaires. Investing is a tried and tested strategy that millionaires often use to grow their wealth. By investing in various assets such as stocks, real estate, and private equity, they can potentially earn returns that exceed inflation and grow their wealth over time. One of the key advantages of investing is the power of compounding. This means that over time, small gains can accumulate and compound, leading to significant growth in wealth. Investing also allows individuals to diversify their wealth and mitigate risk. By investing in a mix of different assets, individuals can spread their risk across different markets and industries, helping to protect their wealth from the volatility of any one market or asset class. Additionally, investing can offer tax advantages that can help individuals keep more of their earnings. Contributions to retirement accounts such as 401ks and IRAs are often tax-deductible, and investment gains in these accounts are tax-deferred until withdrawal. But the most significant advantage of investing is that it can provide a path to financial independence and freedom. By building a large enough investment portfolio, individuals can potentially generate enough passive income to support their lifestyle without the need for traditional employment. While investing does come with risks and requires careful planning and management, it can be a powerful tool for building wealth over time and contributing to people becoming millionaires. By taking a long-term view and staying disciplined and focused on their investment goals, individuals can potentially achieve significant financial success through investing. So, if you want to achieve financial independence and become a millionaire, start investing today. Research and learn about the different types of investments that suit your financial goals and risk appetite. Consult with financial experts to guide you through the process and help you make informed decisions. And most importantly, stay disciplined, stay focused, and stay committed to your investment goals. Some millionaires have gained their wealth through real estate investments. This can involve buying and selling properties, investing in rental properties, or developing real estate projects. Real estate investing can be a highly lucrative path to becoming a millionaire. One of the key advantages of real estate investing is the potential for significant returns on investment. For example, if someone buys a rental property for $500,000, they might have to invest 20% of the purchase price, or $100,000. Later they could sell the property for $1 million several years later. They would generate a significant profit of $900,000 from their initial $100,000 investment. In addition, real estate investing can offer tax advantages, such as deductions for mortgage interest and property taxes, as well as the ability to defer taxes on investment gains through 1031 exchanges. Real estate investing also provides an opportunity to generate passive income through rental properties. By investing in rental properties and leasing them out to tenants, individuals can generate ongoing cash flow and build wealth over time. Investing is not just for the wealthy, it's for anyone who wants to achieve financial independence and build wealth over time. With a solid investment plan, careful management, and discipline, you can join the ranks of millionaires and achieve financial freedom. So, what are you waiting for? Start investing today and take control of your financial future. Some millionaires inherit their wealth from family members or other sources. While this may not be the most common path to wealth, it can provide a significant financial advantage for those who receive it. Inheritance is one of the ways that people can become millionaires. It refers to the transfer of assets, such as money, property, or investments, from one person to another after the original owner's death. When people inherit substantial wealth, they have an immediate financial advantage that can contribute to their ability to become millionaires. However, many times when wealth is inherited, it is quickly squandered if the recipient is not disciplined enough to manage it properly. If you have not inherited wealth, then this may not be an option that you can pursue or plan for. While inheritance can provide a significant advantage for those who receive it, it is important to recognize that becoming a millionaire through inheritance alone is relatively rare. Most millionaires have achieved their wealth through a combination of hard work, financial discipline, and smart investments. So, if you want to become a millionaire, it's important to start developing good financial habits and investing in your future today. With the right mindset and strategies, you too can achieve financial success and become a millionaire, regardless of your starting point. The next most common way to become a millionaire is by working in a high-paying career. Fields such as finance, law, medicine, technology, and even sales are known for their high salaries, commissions, and lucrative opportunities. However, this path to wealth requires a combination of education, skills, hard work, and discipline. Working in a high-paying career can provide you with a steady income stream that you can use to accumulate wealth over time. It can also give you access to specialized knowledge and expertise that can lead to higher salaries, compensation, and opportunities for career growth. And with a higher starting salary, you can take advantage of more aggressive savings and investment strategies. But how can you achieve millionaire status through a high-paying career? Here are some tips. First, invest in your education and skills. Pursue advanced degrees and specialized training that can make you stand out in your field. This can lead to higher salaries and more opportunities for career advancement. Second, work hard and stay disciplined. Don't let lifestyle inflation eat into your earnings. Live below your means and prioritize saving and investing for the long term. Third, be patient and persistent. Accumulating wealth takes time and effort. But with the right mindset and habits, you can achieve financial success. Working in a high-paying career can be a significant factor in becoming a millionaire, but it's not a guarantee. You still need to combine it with education, skills, hard work, and discipline to achieve financial success over the long term. So, start investing in yourself today, and work toward achieving your millionaire dreams. Let's explore how millionaires use frugality to help them build their wealth. You might think that all millionaires inherited their wealth or made it through risky business ventures, but the truth is that some millionaires have accumulated their wealth through careful budgeting, frugal living, and disciplined saving and investing over a long period of time. Living frugally can be an effective way to accumulate wealth and ultimately become a millionaire. Frugality involves being mindful of one's expenses and finding ways to live below one's means in order to save and invest money. By doing this consistently over time, one can build up a significant amount of savings that can be invested and grow through compound interest. One of the main benefits of living frugally is that it allows one to save money that can be used for investments. This can include stocks, real estate, or other assets that can appreciate in value over time. By making smart investments and avoiding unnecessary expenses, one can build a diversified portfolio that generates passive income and continues to grow over time. To start living frugally and not allow your lifestyle to inflate as your income increases, begin by tracking your expenses and identifying areas where you can cut back. This might involve reducing your dining out expenses, buying used items instead of new ones, or negotiating better deals on bills. By making these small changes, you can start to build up your savings and invest in your future. If you dream of building wealth and achieving financial freedom, you're in luck because we're going to explain how the millionaire mindset can help you achieve your financial goals. The millionaire mindset is a powerful set of attitudes and behaviors that can help you achieve financial success and build wealth. It's not just about having a lot of money, it's about the mindset that millionaires have that allows them to create wealth and abundance in their lives. You can adopt a millionaire mindset immediately. One of the key aspects of the millionaire mindset is a focus on creating value. Millionaires understand that in order to build wealth, you need to create value for others. They are able to identify market needs and develop products or services that meet those needs. By creating value, they are able to build a loyal customer base and generate income. Another aspect of the millionaire mindset is a willingness to take calculated risks. Millionaires understand that building wealth often involves taking risks, but they are able to balance that risk with a focus on minimizing potential losses. They do their due diligence, analyze the market, and make informed decisions based on data and research. Millionaires also tend to be disciplined and focused in their approach to money. They have a clear set of financial goals and are able to stay on track despite setbacks or distractions. They understand that building wealth takes time and effort, and they are willing to put in the work to achieve their goals. So, how can you develop a millionaire mindset? The first step is to start thinking positively about money. Instead of viewing money as a negative or scarce resource, start thinking about it as an abundant resource that can be created and multiplied. Start looking for opportunities to create value and generate income. Next, start taking calculated risks. This doesn't mean you should be reckless with your money, but it does mean that you should be willing to step out of your comfort zone and try new things. Do your research, analyze the market, and make informed decisions. Finally, stay disciplined and focused. Set clear financial goals for yourself and create a plan to achieve them. Track your progress and make adjustments as necessary. And most importantly, don't give up. Building wealth takes time and effort, but with the right mindset, anything is possible. The millionaire mindset is a powerful tool for achieving financial success and building wealth. It's not just about having a lot of money, it's about the mindset that allows you to create abundance in your life. Having a millionaire mindset means that you always spend less than you earn, and your bank balance is always larger at the end of each month than it was at the end of the previous month. You focus on leveraging your assets, including your money, your time, your energy, your ideas, and your relationships in a positive way. By focusing on creating value, taking calculated risks, and staying disciplined and focused, you can develop a millionaire mindset and achieve your financial goals. So, what are you waiting for? Adopt the millionaire mindset today and take control of your financial future. Remember that there are many factors that can contribute to becoming a millionaire, and not all of them are related to personal traits. However, based on research and observations, here are 10 traits that are often associated with millionaires in America. 1. Discipline. Millionaires tend to have a high level of discipline when it comes to their finances. They are often able to resist the temptation to overspend and are diligent about saving and investing their money. 2. Persistence. Many millionaires have achieved their wealth through hard work and perseverance. They are often willing to put in long hours and make sacrifices in order to achieve their goals. 3. Confidence. Millionaires tend to have a high level of confidence in their abilities and their financial decisions. They are not afraid to take calculated risks and are often able to bounce back from setbacks. 4. Focus. Millionaires often have a clear vision of what they want to achieve and are able to stay focused on their goals. They are not easily distracted by outside influences and are able to stay on track despite obstacles. 5. Creativity. Many millionaires have achieved their success through innovative thinking and creative problem solving. They are often able to see opportunities where others do not and are willing to take unconventional approaches to achieve their goals. 6. Leadership. Many millionaires are natural leaders who are able to inspire and motivate others. They are often able to build strong teams and delegate effectively in order to achieve their goals. 7. Resilience. Millionaires often face significant challenges and setbacks on their path to success. They are able to bounce back from these setbacks and learn from their mistakes, rather than letting them hold them back. 8. Vision. Millionaires often have a long-term vision for their lives and their businesses. They are able to see the big picture and make decisions that align with their overall goals, rather than focusing on short-term gains. 9. Education. Many millionaires have invested in their education, both formal and informal. They are often knowledgeable about a wide range of topics and are able to use their knowledge to make informed decisions. 10. Generosity. Finally, many millionaires are known for their generosity. They are often philanthropic and are willing to give back to their communities in a variety of ways. Start behaving like a millionaire today. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more wealth creation strategies. Leave your comments below about what other topics you'd like us to cover. And, as always, we appreciate your support.